Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Mary Ann Carbonel Palmones, 32 years old. I have one child, daughter, and I am married. We are 5 siblings of the family. I am 4th of the children, and I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work abroad in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as domestic helper for 2 years and 7 months to a couple, one son, 5 years old. I do all household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, and car washing. And also, Kuwait, I serve 7 members, 2 elderly, 4 adults, 1 child, and I do household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing, car washing, and my main duties is taking care of the babies and the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the temperature when the baby is sick, and I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, loyal, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide my family, especially my child.
If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband, my parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I'm sleeping around 10 p.m. if my work is done, and 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I have more patience and calmer.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, if needed. To extend.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Please select me as your helper. I am hardworking, loyal, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family, and I will do my best. Thank you.
Okay.